Hello, my name is Erwin Norris. I'm a plant manager for engineering services here at PAI Manufacturing. Today we're talking about our GearScan 500, which is from Stress Tech. This machine is built to check our gears after the heat treating process and grinding. During the grinding process is one of the major flaws that can happen is that if for some reason we lose coolant on it, or if it grinds too fast, too slow, any of things like that, what you can have is grinding burn. What grinding burn is basically is that you induce too much heat into the part, and that will actually temper out a section of that gear. So you get a soft spot. Soft spot is going to wear and of course have adverse effect. Might get a cracked gear, may get a gear failure. In order for us to check to make sure that that's not happening in our process, the gear is mounted in a spindle and a sensor comes in. The sensor will go in to the tooth form and it induces a current through the tooth, and it gets a feedback. Just like a sonar works in water and it sends out a sonar wave and comes back and they can tell if there's a ship or a missile or an iceberg or anything like that out there, the same thing happens on this. It will get a different feedback depending on the hardness of the material. So if our feedback is for soft, all of a sudden we'll see our chart dip down into a soft spot. So that's what we're looking for here. What will happen after that, it'll give us a chart back and give us a reading, and it'll show us a graph of all of those teeth and what the form is those. If everything's right, we should see a relatively straight line across there for the feedback.